The Milagrinzo Povitkuris in Agonda. Agonda is a village in South Goa, and the church here is dedicated to Saint Anne, and not very from it, on land, is a capella chapel called Santa Cruz de Val, or the Miracle Chapel, and in it is a cross that is inclined to one side. The villagers call it a miraculous holy cross or Milagrinzo Povitkuris, as a number of people who have prayed here with deep faith have been miraculously cured. The feast of this cross is celebrated on 14th May, preceded by the Triduum, 3 days of preparation. Right through the year, devotees, irrespective of their faith, come here to pray. They light candles and place their petitions. They also return back to express their gratitude for the favors received and organize a rosary. Most youth from the village, before leaving their homes to seek employment in different states or countries or on ships, and on their return, come here and hold special prayers or pray the litany. Likewise, there are others who seek solace and peace to their disturbed mind, spend time in prayer at the feet of the cross. What is the origin of this cross here? Why is it an inclined position? Villagers say that their ancestors had found it lying on the southern side of the beach in an inclined position. They believe that it must have been washed by the waves through the Arabian Sea, probably from Kavelosim. The news of the cross on the beach soon spread in the village and beyond. Some villagers from Kavelosim came to make a claim over it, but they could not succeed in lifting it since they found it too heavy. They then tried pulling it with the help of the ropes, but their efforts were in vain. Hence, they left it there. This cross is made up of stones said to be unavailable in the locality or anywhere nearby. A small part of the cross is damaged, and this is attributed to the sea water by which it was deposited on the shore, while others say that it was damaged while dragging it to the shore by the ropes. The villagers then built a platform underneath it using stone bricks of different shapes and sizes. While doing so, they attempted to straighten the cross, but their efforts bore no fruit. Hence, they left it in an inclined position. This perhaps compelled many people to worship the cross with devotion. All these events took place in 1859. Father Benito Martins, the first missionary to Agonda in 1884, will gather the locals around this cross and teach them catechism and how to pray. He was appointed the first parish priest of Agonda on September 3, 1888, and later went on to establish the Society of the Missionary of St. Francis Xavier here, commonly called Society of Pilar, which in 1890 shifted its headquarters to Pilar. In 2010 to 2011, many youth of the village who were granted favors after praying at the cross, and so too other villagers of Agonda, came forward with a proposal to construct a small shed and a compound wall around it. Many parishioners and other benefactors from elsewhere also contributed generously towards the project. Over the years, the cross became an object of devotion and also gained a reputation for healing and the recipient of gifts. Many miracles took place here. The sick and the dying who come here to pray would go back healed. The frustrated and unemployed youth who prayed here for employment were consoled when their prayers were answered. Women who couldn't conceive became pregnant after praying at the cross. Many people from afar who received favors after praying here will return to the cross and light candles in thanksgiving. A couple of years back, the villagers constructed an open chapel here, enclosing the miraculous Holy Cross in it. A compound wall has been constructed with a gate. This provides protection from the scorching sun and the rampaging rains, and in addition to this, there is enough space for the visitors to pray. People are grateful for the hard work put in by Father Matthew Fernandez, the parish priest, and the Fabrica de Angond.